Very nice to hear about the school curriculum and flexibility, Srini garu. But when children come to the classes, it's of course you're making it easier to come and learn Telugu. But are there any tools or facilities you provide for the children to make it interesting to learn Telugu? What kind of things you could provide to children?
Definitely. So you gain a lot of command in any language by reading more and by being exposed to the language more. So we understand that kids have limited exposure here. So we teach in the 2 hour class, and then probably parents can help by speaking in Telugu at home. But more than that, we have a lot of interesting programs in Silicon Andhra Manabadi. One of them in Michigan is libraries. So we have a Telugu library where there are a lot of interesting storybooks that kids can rent them, and they can really enjoy reading them.
Very good to hear, Srini garu. Would like to know, when kids are learning Telugu in a typical academic year, that's roughly from September to end of May or early June, do they get to do any outside extra academic related to Telugu? Of course, they're learning Telugu, but for them, their development related, do they get any opportunities to perform or to do something other than academic activities? Are there any offered by Manabadi today?
Yeah, definitely. So theory is one part, but application is what makes a kid realize how much they have learned and how much they adopted. So Silicon Andhra Manabadi realized that, and then has rolled out excellent initiatives. For example, we have Telugu Matlata, which is about Telugu academic games, which are designed in a very fun but in a very educative mode. So we have 3 different games prominently. One is similar to Telugu Spelling Bee, where they write Telugu words based on the words that they hear. And then there is another interesting general knowledge game, which is in the Jeopardy style. And then we have a just a minute competition also, where kids will have to speak for 1 minute continuously, without using any other English words. So that is about Telugu Matlata. And we have Manabadi Kids Cultural Festival. So they learn a lot of language and culture, but they perform. They get an opportunity to perform on the stage, so which boosts their self-confidence as well and adds to personality development. And we have, just imagine your kid is speaking to their grandmother. So if they speak in English, probably with an American accent, it is hard for the elders to understand. But we have excellent radio programs called Balanandam. It is a Tory live internet radio programs that take place each Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So where kids learn to converse naturally, and it's proving to be a great program. Also, we have just for the health for the health benefits, we have a Telugu 5K run program as well, which is called Telugu Kuparugu. Once the academic year is complete, we want to make sure the kids are still connected to Telugu, and they won't forget it during the summer to it acts as a refresher course. So that's why we have a summer like textbook called Vasavikasam. And also we have an interesting initiative that started recently, which is called Palukubadi, which exclusively focuses on how well the kids can converse in Telugu. So it is like it is a continuation of in the summer to emphasize more and to utilize the time in summer to spend on Telugu language.